Hey, Miguel Martinez Juarez here, and today I'm going to talk about getting rid of negative emotions. Okay, now first to start off with, what are emotions? Okay, emotions are feelings. You call them vibrations as well. Okay, and they come from your thoughts. A good thought creates good feelings. A good thought persisted over time manifests. Okay, likewise, a negative thought creates your feelings, negative feelings. A negative thought persisted over time manifests. So you want to feel good, all right? Feel good, focus on a good thought. Now, how do you get rid of a negative thought? If you're feeling good, you want to keep, you want to stay there. You don't want to get rid of that thought or that vibration. Okay, that thought and vibration, you want to keep it. Okay, so let's talk about how to get rid of it. All right. Now, we're gonna start off with what I just wrote. I rewrote it. It was like a few days ago that I wrote this, and it was inspired from Rhonda Byrne's new book, The Greatest The Greatest Secret. Okay. Now, this is what I wrote. You must accept a negative emotion to receive it, and then remember that you are awareness. Again, you must accept a negative emotion to release it, and then remember you are awareness. Okay, so you must accept the emotion. Okay, accept it. Like, okay, I'm not feeling good. Okay, and then remember you are awareness. Use the practice, right? Ask yourself, am I aware? You're gonna see you are, and then stay in that awareness. Expand your vision. See everything. Take in everything. Now you're back at zero. It's kind of like a meditation, right? It's calm, poise, and you've just released it. You just released it, okay? And this is being non-resistant. This is actually what non-resistant is: releasing the emotion, accepting it, and releasing it. Another way to release it is saying that event, whatever it is a success. Okay, however it looks like, it's a success, and you are changing the results of it. You are leading yourself into your ideal, into your wish fulfilled. In other words, right? And another one, you can do this with people too. Okay, you can say every person is a golden link to the chain of my good. Okay, so they're connecting you to, linking you to your good. Okay. Now I wrote, that way you release that emotion and realize that you are. You just are. Okay, you are awareness. Okay. I'm gonna link my previous video down here so you can check it out. Okay, where I talk about awareness. Okay, it goes deep. It's very deep. It's a very deep, deep but simple concept. Right? Because you know your awareness. You just practice it. You'll see that your awareness. But then understanding where that comes from, we go deep into spirituality. Okay. Now, that negative emotion, that's what it means. It's just something you are experiencing as a human. Okay. You are awareness, right? Spirit having a human experience. Okay. You are not this body. You know, you've been a baby, you've been a teenager, you've been an adult, you've been an older adult, whatever, right? You've been changing, okay? But you still are, okay? So you're having a human experience. Now, being who you truly are is a way to release negative emotions. Who you truly are is awareness, and it's calmness, it's poise. Okay? You're here to have an experience, a great experience. Okay? And love, wealth, health, and perfect self-expression. Happiness, right? That's what Florence calls finding your purpose, right? That divine plan of yours. Okay? She calls that perfect self-expression. Okay? Now, I want to go over having a non-resistant life, and I like what Florence says. Her tips are so basic and so simple, and it makes so much sense. I don't know why I'm going a lot, but it's just kind of giving this rhythm, right? I'm in rhythm. Now, this is the way you want to do it, okay? You want to be non-resistant with these 3 keys, okay? These 3 keys. And this is the way Florence says you create heaven on earth, okay? Because you're non-resistant, okay? 1, fearless faith. Go do the thing you want to do. Have fearless faith and know that there is only one source, one God, taking you to your ideal, right? To your wish fulfilled. Okay, because your wish is already fulfilled in mind. It's just right now everything is rearranging itself in the physical. Okay? Now, number 2, being non-resistant. Just letting things go. Okay? Have fearless faith. Take fearless action. Have faith. And let things go. If something shows up that does not the way you wanted it to be, let it go. Baptize the event. Name the event success. The person, say, this person is a golden link in the chain of my good. Okay? And 3, love. Have love. Give love to everybody. Because that's what God is. God is love. Okay? It's the highest vibration. It just feels so good. It's what creates things. It's what creates things. When you love something, you want it. You adore it. You desire it. It's love. But you are it. It's just the paradox about it is that you are it. That thing you want, you are it. But you just want to create. Now you're a creator. Okay? Now that you're having this information, know that you are what you're seeking. You are what you are seeking. You are what you are seeking, and this is because you are divine mind. You are everything. But you are divine mind having a human experience, a human vibration, an earth vibration. That way you create and expand. Okay, we're all creators. We're all creative, and we're here to create. Okay, now welcome. You have been initiated. Okay, and love, just love. Know that your desire is meant for you. Okay, if you're doubtful, say, hey, God, give me the divine plan. Give me the divine desire. And you'll see images start flashing to you. You might even see images that you've seen before, but you never thought were possible, or you just never took action on them. Start taking action on them. Okay? And the first action you want to have is have them in your thoughts. Have them in your thoughts. In your thoughts. Hold them. All right? With poise. Okay? And it will be demonstrated. It will manifest in physical form. Okay? And this is right thinking. All right. So I hope you like this one. I went over 3 things. All right. I went over what are emotions? Where did they come from? Okay. 2, how to release them. Okay. Through the breakdown of what consciousness is, right? And how to go back to it. And the 3 keys to being non-resistant. And being non-resistant is letting go of that negativity. Letting go of those negative vibrations, those negative thoughts, because those negative feelings are creating. Okay, so likewise, the positive thoughts are creating. You want to get away from the negative ones and go to the positive ones, okay? And reach love vibration, okay? And how do you get to it? Just ask, what is my divine plan? You start seeing all your desires pop up. And just focus on one, focus on Bob Proctor, Abraham Hicks as well. They say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, big things, okay? Big things, and just work towards them every single day. Take a few steps every single day, and before you know it, it'll just manifest, okay? Or it might take some time. It depends on how you get into vibration. It depends on your vibration. You need to get in the vibration so it creates, okay? And when you're in the vibration, all right, you're taking fearless action or fearless faith, right? Fearless faith. Acts of faith, fearless acts of faith, and you will be taking that action, right? All right, and getting into that vibration. And you can say courage. You can say courage as well. Okay, so those are the 3 things that I went over. Okay, 3 major things. Replay this again to get all the information. Let this sink into your subconscious mind. Take the notes. Repetition is key to learning. And after you get this in your mind so much, you start taking the action. Okay, it's just second nature. You just know and do. Hope you like this one. And until next time, thank you. If you want more resources, read the description below. Thank you. Till next time.